Hey guys, this is AM Cooking here, and I'm going to make a mango cake recipe. For this mango cake recipe, you will need these ingredients: 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1/3 cup unsalted butter, 14 ounces can or 1 1/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup mango pulp. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put all the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl: flour, baking soda and baking powder, cardamom, and that's it. Mix up all the dry ingredients. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients: butter and mango pulp. Whisk up the butter and the mango pulp. Now add the condensed milk. Now beat well. The mixture should have this much consistency. Grease a 9-inch round pan with butter. It's time to bake the cake, so let's add the batter to the pan. And the cake goes into the oven. Make sure to set the timer to 40 minutes. To go with this mango cake, we will make a glaze. You will need half a cup of mango pulp, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. After you have mixed it well, make sure the glaze is runny. The cake is now done, and we will cut it out of the... Now we will add the glaze. We have glazed the cake and it looks amazing. This brings us to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe down below and share it to your friends so they can enjoy this recipe too. Thank you. This is really good.